Hey everyone! How often do you pick up dragon fruit at the grocery store? Not often? Maybe never? Well, it's time to change that. Dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, is not just a feast for the eyes but also a powerhouse of health benefits. In today's video, we're going to dive into why you should be adding more of this exotic fruit to your diet. Can it help you lose weight? Improve your skin? Boost your heart health? Let's find out. Let's start with the basics. Dragon fruit comes from a cactus plant and has a unique appearance with its bright pink or yellow skin and speckled flesh filled with tiny black seeds. It's often described as a cross between a kiwi and a pear in terms of texture and taste. And in the end of the video I am going to share refreshing dragon fruit smoothie recipe, so watch till the end. Trust me, this recipe is a perfect way to enjoy the taste and health benefits of dragon fruit in a cool and refreshing breakfast or snack. Now, let's break down the health benefits of dragon fruit. 1. Hair health. First up, let's talk about hair health. Did you know that regular consumption of dragon fruit can actually strengthen your hair? That's right. This tropical fruit is rich in vitamins and minerals that can make your hair thicker, stronger, and shinier. You can even use dragon fruit juice as a natural conditioner to rejuvenate your hair follicles. Just mix some pulp with your regular conditioner, or apply it directly as a hair mask. 2. Fiber content. Next, dragon fruit is loaded with fiber. 1 cup of dragon fruit provides about 7 grams of fiber, helping to keep your digestive system running smoothly. Incorporating this fruit into your diet can help prevent constipation and promote a healthy gut. Plus, it can aid in weight management by keeping you feeling fuller for longer. 3. Diabetes friendly. If you have diabetes, you'll be pleased to know that dragon fruit has a low glycemic index and can help regulate blood sugar levels. It's a sweet treat that won't cause a spike in your glucose levels. The fiber in dragon fruit also helps slow down sugar absorption, making it a safe and delicious option for diabetics. Did you know they're also called strawberry pears in some places? Let me know in the comments. 4. Cancer-fighting properties. Dragon fruit is packed with antioxidants like phytonutrients, flavonoids, and betalains, which help fight free radicals in the body. These compounds can reduce oxidative stress and lower your risk of certain cancers. Including dragon fruit in your diet can be a delicious way to support your overall health. 5. Heart health. Looking to improve your heart health? Dragon fruit is a great choice. It's low in cholesterol and rich in heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. The fiber in dragon fruit also helps reduce bad cholesterol levels, keeping your arteries clear and your heart strong. Who here has ever tried dragon fruit? Do share your answers. 6. Skin health. For glowing skin, dragon fruit is your new best friend. It's high in vitamin C, which brightens and rejuvenates the skin. You can even make a DIY face mask by mashing up some dragon fruit and applying it to your face. It's perfect for soothing sunburns and reducing signs of aging. 7. Bone health. Let's not forget about bone health. Dragon fruit is a good source of calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which are essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. A glass of dragon fruit smoothie can be a tasty way to boost your bone health. 8. Pregnancy benefits. Expecting a baby? Dragon fruit is a fantastic addition to your diet during pregnancy. It's rich in folate, iron, and B vitamins, which are crucial for the development of your baby and your own health. The natural nutrients in dragon fruit can help prevent birth defects and keep you energized throughout your pregnancy. Now, let's make refreshing dragon fruit smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup chopped dragon fruit, flesh only, 1/2 cup frozen banana, 1/2 cup plain yogurt, or plant-based yogurt, 1/4 cup milk, dairy or non-dairy, 1 tablespoon honey, or maple syrup. Toppings, optional, granola, sliced almonds, fresh berries, shredded coconut. Instructions: blend the dragon fruit, banana, yogurt, milk, and honey together in a blender until smooth and creamy. Pour the smoothie mixture into a bowl. Get creative with your toppings. Add granola for some crunch, sliced almonds for protein, fresh berries for extra sweetness and antioxidants, or shredded coconut for a tropical touch. So, have I convinced you to give dragon fruit a try? It's a delicious and nutritious fruit that can offer a multitude of health benefits. Let us know in the comments how you like to enjoy dragon fruit and if you have any other health tips to share. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.